English Bulgarian verb spotlight, have left right arrow.
Имам.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. Let's make have in Bulgarian feel easy and fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons and goodies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we play with the English verb have and its Bulgarian partner.
Имам.
We will joke, drill, and celebrate every tiny win. Ready? Let's roll. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you will confidently use have in all key forms. You've got this. Your goal is simple. Be able to say these clearly and quickly in context. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. And match them to Bulgarian.
Имам. Ти имаш. Той има. Тя има. Той има. Ние имаме. Вие имате. Те имат.
Pro tip. Smile when you say them. Your memory likes happy verbs. Forms in 60 seconds. Say them aloud with me. Short, snappy, done. Have.
Имам.
I have.
Имам.
You have, singular.
Ти имаш.
He has.
Той има.
She has.
Тя има.
It has.
Той има.
We have.
Ние имаме.
You have, plural.
Вие имате.
They have.
Те имат.
Mini dialogue at the market. Time for a quick smile and a tiny win. You, do you have bread? Vendor. Yes, I have fresh bread.
Имам пресен хляб.
You, great, we have butter, we have.
Ние имаме.
Maslow. Friend to the group. You have the tickets, right?
Вие имате билетите, нали?
Vendor points at a cat. He has attitude.
Той има.
Charakter. The cat blinks. Comedy achieved. Call and response drill. Repeat after me, loud and proud. You can even add a victory nod. I have a plan. Say.
Имам план.
You have time, singular. Say.
Ти имаш време.
He has a ticket. Say.
Той има билет.
She has water. Say.
Тя има вода.
It has a camera. Say.
Той има камера.
We have coffee. Say.
Ние имаме кафе.
You have snacks, plural group. Say.
Вие имате хапки.
They have keys. Say.
Те имат ключове.
Culture tip. Tiny cultural nugget, big memory boost. In a Bulgarian market, you may hear a cheerful call, I have fresh cheese.
Имам прясно сирене.
Listen for that confident.
Имам.
It is your sonic cue for have, and possibly for a delicious snack. Quick quiz. No stress, micro quiz, macro confidence. Q. How do you say they have in Bulgarian? A.
Те имат.
Q. You have, plural, what is it? A.
Вие имате.
Q. She has water. Say it. A.
Тя има вода.
Q. I have a question. A.
Имам въпрос.
Final challenge. Speed round, hit all forms once. You're the star. Say, I have.
Имам.
Say, you have, singular.
Ти имаш.
Say, he has.
Той има.
Say, she has.
Тя има.
Say, it has.
Той има.
Say, we have.
Ние имаме.
Say, you have, plural.
Вие имате.
Say, they have.
Те имат.
Now connected to everyday English. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. Nailed it. Wrap up. High five, you did great. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms out loud today, and you will sound smoother every time. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Bulgarian lessons, downloads, and practice drills. You have the skill,
Ти имаш
the will,